YouTubers, this is Amber. If you guys do not know who I am, I'm a plus size model, YouTuber, and entrepreneur. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Fenty Beauty skincare that was just released probably about a couple months ago. So stay tuned. A lot of mixed reviews on this Fenty Beauty, so I had to get my hand on the latest skincare products from Sephora. You guys already know I love Sephora. I went ahead and bought these smaller sizes of Fenty Beauty. If you buy the whole thing, the full trio, it's like $129 or something like that. This only cost me $40, so I was like, it's enough to see if this really works or not, because I instantly know when stuff is good for my skin, because I instantly know, because I don't really have problematic skin. I just have skin that has to be taken care of or it will be problematic. So the first thing I have to say about this cleanser, it goes on so smooth, girl, like butter. I don't know if you guys ever tried an oil cleanser before, but it kind of reminds you of how smooth an oil cleanser goes over the face. And it's not like creamy, it's almost like a light buttery feeling, like all over the face. It doesn't activate, it doesn't have exfoliants in it. It's just very smooth. It doesn't warm up or anything like that. It's just very smooth consistency. So this cleanser is supposed to remove all of your makeup off your face. Sis, this is not remove it all cleanser. This for me did not remove the dirt. Like the toner showed me that this didn't clean the face completely like it said. This does have a scent. It's like a light scent. Almost reminds you of a light scented chocolate possibly. It doesn't really bother me, but the smell does linger after you have washed your face. So I don't think this is good for cleaning off makeup. However, there is a really good pro to this. Now, besides me loving the fact that this is so smooth, it goes on silky smooth like butter, it kind of minimized my pores. I felt like it was minimizing my pores a lot. And then my face felt squeaky clean, even though the dirt wasn't completely extracted. But I felt like it did a really good job. When I put this on my face, I instantly liked the consistency of how my face looked and felt. I, for one, love this, and I have combination skin, so it could be different for other people. To me, I didn't feel like my skin was dry after using this, which I have a lot of problems with that with other products. That was a really good pro, and I just like the way that my face looked overall after using the product. I got all kind of good things to say about this toner, girl. This is called Fat Water, and it's a pore refining toner serum, a little Voss bottle. That's what it kind of reminds me of. Like, I really love this. If I don't buy the face wash, this is something I would buy by itself. This toner is grade A. This is top of the line, girl. This is top of the line, and I'm not even gassing it. And this is based off of my skin, so I really like this, because I have never ever seen a serum toner ever. I don't really trip off the cleanser, but the toner really makes a difference in your face. That's how I feel. This is my opinion. The toner really makes a difference in your face, because it can close pores, it can make your face feel supple, it can make your face feel a little bit more moisturized. But let's get all to the deets of all this. So when you use this toner, it gets to the nitty-gritty. When I used this product and used it on my face, that there was a lot of dirt on the cotton ball after using the cleanser. So this right here actually obviously is doing its job, because it's extracting the dirt and it's taking away all the dirt, grime, and makeup that's left over. But the good thing about this is that it doesn't make your skin feel deprived of anything. Like a lot of those alcohol toners, it kind of makes you feel dry right afterwards. So this right here actually extracts everything. It does feel like a cooling effect, as if it would have alcohol in there. It's like an alcohol serum. I don't even know if it has alcohol in it. Really don't know. I don't know, like I can tell that it's doing something. Like I can tell that this is meant to like clean out the pores. It doesn't smell crazy at all. It smells just like the face wash, and it comes in a little dropper like this. Now it's really thick when it comes out. It's like almost like thick like oil. Some wrist strength here, and you see how thick that bubble is. It's a really thick consistency, and I'm gonna just show you how the serum looks. Baby, Like, let me tell you, this is the business. This is the GOAT right here out of the whole collection. Next up is the Invisible Moisturizer, which is this one right here. This Invisible Moisturizer right here has SPF 30 and it's called Hydrowizer. But the problem is for me with SPF 30, I hardly can use an SPF because I get small rashes and breakouts on my face. First, I want to tell you guys, after I used the toner and rubbed it all over my face, this slightly burned when I put this on my face. It slightly burned, not a lot. Don't be alarmed. It wasn't a lot. It was just like, it was burning sensation like right here where my open pores were at, because I have really big pores right here, and it was like burning right there. It wasn't so alarming that I was like, I gotta take this off. And the next thing is when I put it over my face, it had a small white casting over it. Like, you know how when you use SPF 30, it has like a white tint to it. The tint real quick. So it does have like a white tint, slightly. Not too bad, but then it disappears. It disappeared pretty quickly. So I don't really think that this moisturizer is anything special, but it does make your face feel very supple, very dewy, and very moisturized. So I don't really see like a huge difference in a lot of other moisturizers. I wasn't really on this one like this. Like, it was cool because you usually don't get SPF 30s that doesn't have the white cast all over your face. I really liked how moisturizing it made the skin. So overall, I think Rihanna did a really good job with getting the skincare line together. There was a lot of pros and cons, but I like the packaging. I like the consistency of at least 2 of the products. And then the third one wasn't a super wow, but it wasn't not wild either. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It wasn't like, I wasn't super impressed, but I was still impressed. So overall, I would give this whole line probably a B+ to an A-. She really did a really good job, and once she figures out what people like and don't like, she can like adjust it later. I think this is going to be a really good skincare line. I, for one, already like it, and I probably will be purchasing the toner again. But other than that, I really love this product line. So here is your chance to win your very own Fenty Beauty skincare line. Here it is right here. So this is the one I will be giving away. So all of the rules will be linked below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you comment, rate, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell.